Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will learn how to place sounds in a Windows application. So what we will do that we will create a simple window and then we will add a button, and when we will add the function to the button that when the button is clicked it will play a sound. Okay, so for this I'm creating, first I'm opening a dev C++ my IDE, and I'm creating a normal Windows application. So here is the code. So let's create the button. So that wm create. So here I have created a button. So if you don't know how to create a button, please go and watch my previous videos in which I have explained how to create a button and assign values to it, means constant to it. So now we have created a button and now we are going to define a constant to it. So here, as we know that here we have to define a constant. So we have defined the constant as audio. So here the third argument we will so now the constant is also set to the button. Now we have to set the function, which is the main part of this program. So case w case wm command, which gives command to the command to the objects of the window. So here we are going to use a function which is only available in the windows.h header file, which is the play sound function. So for this but the problem is that it only supports the wave format. Okay, so if you have a file in the mp3 or in mp3 format, so you have to convert it into wave format. So for converting it you have many options like online there's a website which is audio converter. You can drop your files there and convert it easily, but I have a wave file, so I'm using that. So for playing the sound we have to use the play sound function. let's first save it. Yeah, so the play sound function takes three arguments, in which the first is the LPCW sound, which is mainly the address of the sound. So I have the sound in my same folder in which I have the project. So if you have the file in any other folder, give the whole address. So I prefer to have the audio in the same folder. So the audio name is or.wave. So the next parameter, I think it should be null. Wait, I'm checking it. So the next parameter will be null, means nothing. And the last parameter will be snd. snd underscore sync, sound synchronize. So this is a function so we haven't set that. So first we will remove it, then we will switch the w parameter as usual. And the next we will create a case. And now here we will paste it. So I forgot to tell that for playing the audio using the Windows.h in the C++ or code blocks, you have to add some settings to your project. So for that, go to your project, then options, and then you have to go to the parameters, and here in the linkers you have to add library or object. So this will direct you to this folder, but it is not in this folder, so go back. So if you come to the dev C++, open min.gw64 and then x64w64, and then here in the lib30 in the lib folder, scroll down like to the end, but not to the end, but a little bit up from it. I think it's here only. I'm sorry guys, it is not in the left folder. Again go back. So I'm starting from the beginning. So here in the min.gw64, open this folder, and here the x86 64, here it is in the lib32 folder. Okay, so in the lib32 folder you have to search for WinNMM. see, so I've got that file, which is live win nmm.a. So select that and click OK. In code blocks also it is a similar process. You have to go to the parameters and add this file to the linker, or there will be a compile C++ compiler. So then now click OK, and now save your project, and let's try to run it and see if there is any mistake or it is running perfectly. Again, I really apologize, so guys, you have to again go to the project and then project options, and then in the parameters you have to write add let me show you again. Here as I show you, go to the add object or library and back, and in the lib folder only. Actually these both folder have these files, so I was confused, but you have to select the lib folder, mean the library folder, and then go down. Yeah, so here it is, and the lib folder, select it and click OK, and then click OK. Save your project and then run it. So it is working perfectly. So here is the simple window that we have created, and here is a button that will play audio. So I don't know if you can listen the audio or not, but I will tell you if I listen that audio. Yeah, so it is playing perfectly. So this was how you can play audio, and thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and also watch this full playlist of Windows app development using C++. Thank you.